Hi, I'm Paul Bonner, Service Advisor here at Conicelli Hyundai. Spring has arrived, and so have huge April savings at Conicelli Hyundai Service Center. Every Wednesday in April, when you schedule a brake service, we'll donate $25 to Mission Kids to support child abuse prevention. So be sure to get your appointment set right now. Planning your next road trip? Now's the perfect time to buy 3 tires and get the 4th for just $1, so you can hit the road with confidence this spring. Keep your car running at its best with an oil change and tire rotation combo for just $74.95, because smooth drives start with great maintenance. And if you're looking to save even more, use our Spend and Save coupon and get up to $150 off your same-day service. These April specials won't last long, so schedule your service today at ConicelliService.com, or simply give us a call at 888-289-5948. Conicelli Hyundai Service Center, a nice place to do business.